You may remember that I had organized my instances in SSMS by office location, which happen to be in different time zones. SQL Backup has a timeline, so it's useful to organize the servers in that way here as well. In this class, I'll show you how to organize your server instances in SQL Backup. I'm back working with SQL Backup on my client computer. I'll click here to add a new time zone. I'll select Central Time, and I'll give it a name, St. Louis office, and click Add Location. It's also possible to have multiple tabs with the same time zone, but with different names, if that's useful. Back in the Pacific Time Zone tab, I'd like to move SQL 3 to the St. Louis office tab. To do so, I'm going to delete it from here and click Delete to confirm. And this gives me a chance to show you how to add individual servers. I'll go back to the St. Louis office and right-click. You can add a new SQL server right here, or I can go to File, Add SQL Server. I'll type in the SQL Server name. The SQL Backup server components are already installed in the instance, so I'll uncheck this. I'll click Connect, and now the server is registered. I'm going to switch back to the Pacific Time servers and select Edit. I'll type in West Coast and click OK. Imagine that you have a really large number of servers in this location. You might want to organize them even further by adding groups. To add a group, just right-click the location name and select New Group. Type in a group name, in this case, Production, and I'll click Add Group. There's the group. To add servers to the group, just drag them in. I can also nest groups. I'll right-click the group and select New Group. I'll type in a name, Inventory Project. In this case, it's a subgroup under Production, and click Add Group. And then I can drag the server into that group.